Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be installing Eclipse on a Windows computer. So what you'll need to do first is go to park.edu/ICS and highlight the software resources and click on the tutorials link and go ahead and download the Getting Started Eclipse tutorial. And it will look something like this. So you'll see that in order to do this, you'll need Java already installed on your computer. There is another tutorial here on YouTube about that. So if you have not done that, be sure you do that before you install Eclipse. And then it tells us to go to Eclipse's website and get their download. So just roll over to eclipse.org/downloads. And you'll want the first one, the IDE for Java developers, and choose your Windows system, and then click on the download icon. It's very straightforward. I would save it to your desktop. It makes it a little easier to work with. So once you have that zip file, we're going to go ahead and right click on it and extract all. And this time we're going to get rid of this default file extension and just put it directly onto your C drive by pressing extract. And I'll go ahead and pause the video while that downloads or extracts. Okay, once that has extracted, you'll notice that a window should automatically pop up on our C drive that shows a new Eclipse folder. We'll double click on that, and what we're wanting to do is set a desktop shortcut from the Eclipse icon. So we will, there it is, create shortcut, and then we're just going to drag and drop the shortcut onto our desktop. And we can close out that file, and I'll go ahead and drag this by its lonesome so that we can take a look at it. Okay, so now we're on page 2 of our tutorial, and basically it's telling us how to set our shortcut up. So what we want to do is go ahead and right click on this, go down to properties. We're going to change our general properties just to read Eclipse. And then our shortcut, we're looking at the target area here. We'll just take this line out of our tutorial, copy it, and paste it into the target. And that was version 21, so we'll want to change the 18 to a 21. And click OK. Now, on page 3, it tells us to go ahead and start the program. This warning may or may not pop up on your computer. And we'll give it a second to run. Okay, here we go. And it's asking us what workspace we want to use. So right now the default is the C drive. I'm going to want to put this actually on my flash drive. So I'll just click Browse, go to Computer. There's my travel drive H. And I want to make a new folder. And his suggestion for the new folder is 219 programs. I'm going to call mine actually Eclipse tutorial workspace, and it really doesn't matter what you call it as long as you can find it. And we'll hit OK. And you'll notice it'll take Eclipse just a moment to configure that for us. once it does, we get this nice little welcome screen. We just want to go to the workbench. And we are there. This is our workbench. Okay, let me minimize that for a moment and see where we're headed next. Okay. He is going to start setting preferences, so I think I'm going to stop the download and install video here, and I'll do a separate video for setting preferences. I hope this helped you navigate through your installation of Eclipse, and we'll see you next time.